So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in change the date and time. Click on it. And now once you're on this, make sure that your time zone is correct. Make sure that you have set time automatically turned on. Now you want to scroll down and then click on sync now. Make sure that your date and time is fully synced up. For the next step, once you're on Chrome, you want to click on the three dots in the top right. And now you want to click on history. And then click on history again. Now once we're here, you want to click on delete browsing data. You want to make the time range all time. And you want to select cookies and cache. You can unselect everything else if you want to, but make sure that you select both cookies and cache, and then click on delete data. For the next step, in the bottom left, you want to click on about Chrome. Make sure that your Chrome is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS and then click on enter. And now you want to type in netsh space winsock space reset and then click on enter again. And now for the last step, you want to restart your computer, and this should now fix your problem.